Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's our second to last match of today. Let's see what kind of action we've got. 41-59, Cardinal Robotics, they're moving to center field. I see some fuel up in the air, looks like from 254. We've got 55 on the blue lines and 18 on the red. 254. They're dropping those hoppers, scooping up that fuel, and getting ready to shoot from that key. We've got rotor moving on the blue line side. Rotor not triggered on the red line side. We've got one gear ready to drop off. It looks like the blue alliance looking to grab a second gear from the Warrior Borgs, trying to get their second rotor on the move. Blue alliance pulling ahead. Warrior Borgs trying to drop off that last gear. We got one more gear delivery on the Blue Alliance. They've got that second rotor going. Red Alliance doesn't have that first rotor on the move yet. 254 is launching that fuel, filling up that boiler. 59-40. Looks like they're trying to get in the way of that Blue Alliance from getting in a delivery of another gear, but 32-56. They got another gear in their machine. There we go. We got two rotors spinning now from the Red Alliance side and two on the blue. So they're evened up very close now. Warrior Borgs, they've got one in their machine trying to get that picked up by their airship, and another one coming into the Red Alliance as well as 254 continues to fill that boiler. They're up to 31 kph. kPa pressure. They can get up to 40. It's earning an extra ranking point for everyone on that alliance. With 40 seconds remaining, it's time for these teams almost to board the airships. Let's see if they can't get any last-minute gears. Looks like 41-59 in Cardinal Robotics. They've got a gear just on the edge. Can they load it into their airship successfully? Oh, it just slips off. Not quite enough time to finish that last rotor. But now it's the last 30 seconds, and these teams need to release the line so their machines can climb. 254 is trying to finish off that boiler. They got it up to 37. Is there enough time for them to climb with 12 seconds remaining? 254, they're climbing up. They are ready for takeoff. We got a Blue Alliance, two Blue Alliance robots ready for takeoff. One final gear on the Blue Alliance. Can they get the rotor moving? They're getting it spinning, and they get it just in time on the Blue Alliance with three robots on the Red Alliance side. Also ready for takeoff. We're going to get our... Speaking of official scores, let's see who crosses that finish line first. Looks like we got the Red Alliance coming in with a final score of 325, Blue Alliance 260.